Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2015 65 plate Porsche Cayman 2.7 PDK. Now, a bit of backstory. We actually supplied this vehicle to the previous keepers. This is just a two-owner car from new. It boasts a fantastic specification. So this vehicle is finished in this stunning special paint colour of Carmine red, which I think suits the car very, very well. A beautiful colour indeed. Now, externally also, we're riding on the upgrade alloy wheels. We've got 19-inch Cayman S alloys, and then I think you'll notice straight away inside of those we've got the wheel full colour Porsche centre crests. So the full colour crests, they're over £100. The alloy wheels are over or just around £1,000. The paint colour is around £1,500. So when you look at the car externally, already you've got a fantastic specification from the outside. Now, this car boasts just over £8,500 worth of factory extras. Now, looking around it, coming through to the rear, you've got an electrically deployable rear spoiler, obviously sporty central exhaust to the bottom there. Condition wise, this car is in lovely order. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. So looking through to all four alloy wheels, they're in fantastic order throughout. No signs of any sort of curbing on those. The brake calipers themselves, they're in black with the Porsche scripts. We've got lovely chunky discs in the back there, obviously drilled discs. They're in fantastic order. Daytime running lights, but no, from the exterior, a lovely looking car. Then hopping through to the inside, most of these cars come with a leather and Alcantara sport seat. So this one's been opted for the full interior leather, so that's over £1,000 also. Obviously PDK gearbox, that's just under £2,000 and is one of the best sports gearboxes on the market today. Another lovely addition, we've got the Guards red seat belts. I think those are just under £200, but I think finish the interior off very well. Then also park folding mirrors, obviously front electric windows. You've got the Cayman kick plates, and then looking through to the actual door sill, that is in superb order, so there's no signs of any sort of deep scratching on that. We've got the original tailored Porsche floor mats. That's another extra, believe it or not. We've got automatic lights, nice sporty leather multifunction steering wheel. On there you've got your Bluetooth phone, your voice command, obviously paddle shift for the gearbox, automatic climate control. So what we'll do is I'll get the keys out of my pocket, we'll start the car up. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. Rumbles into action straight away. Now, I've actually had the pleasure of driving this car myself, and I can tell you it drives absolutely spot on. So the steering wheel is actually a factory option also, so it's the 3-spoke multifunction wheel. You don't normally get these buttons here, so you can adjust the volume controls as you're driving along. Cruise control then to the back, that's also a factory extra. We've got the heated steering wheel, which I'll show you through to just now. So heated steering wheel on, heated steering wheel off. As we're doing the video here today, this car's only covered 51,885 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the center display, you've got your FM radio, obviously Bluetooth phone connectivity, which, believe it or not, is another factory option for the mobile preparation, so that's roughly £500. We've got then aux and CD. You've got all your car settings, your sound, so you can adjust the bass, the treble, etc. Dual zone climate control, a digital dual zone climate control with automatic air conditioning, so that's another factory option. Heated front seats, another factory option. You've got the sports mode, obviously electrically deployable rear spoiler, traction control, automatic stop start. But these cars are fantastic vehicles. Obviously when you do buy a Porsche, you want all of that specification, as these vehicles do come sort of without options, sort of very bare. But then with those factory options, you've got a fantastic, desirable vehicle, which looks superb. But quite a rare colour, the Carmine red. Looks fantastic with a full ebony black part perforated leather interior. Red seat belts finish off the interior. Then to the exterior, the 19-inch S alloy wheels, they look superb. But this is one very, very pretty looking car. Nice service history with it, both keys, all the original book packs are there and all the documentation. We've even got the original key presentation little box. So everything which was supplied with the vehicle from new is still with the car there today. But a lovely, lovely car. If you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.